In today's video, we're going to do a beautiful hairstyle. In it, we're going to do a hair bow as well. As some of you know, I absolutely love them. I hope you like it as well. And of course, if so, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out any of our videos. Let's start.
I'm going to prepare the hair with our golden treatment. I'm going to apply just one drop, rub it into my hands, and I'm going to apply it all along the hair. If you want to get our golden treatment, I'm going to leave you the link in the description box down below, or you can click in the top right icon that is like an eye. As you can see, now we have the hair so shiny and ready to start the hairstyle. I'm going to start on this side. I'm going to pick up a piece of hair and split it into 3 equal sections. In here, I'm going to cross the right strand over the middle one, and now the top strand over the middle one. Again, cross this strand over, and I'm going to add hair to the braid. Now from the other side, cross this strand over the middle one, and add hair from this side as well. From the right side again, cross this strand over the middle. We're going to add a small section of hair to the braid. And from the left side, cross this strand over the middle one. Add hair to the braid as well. And we're going to keep doing the same steps over and over again. This is a French braid. And you have to keep in mind, we want to do the braid diagonally. So we started from the right top side and we want to finish on the left side close to the ear. Perfect. Now that we are here, we're going to keep braiding a regular 3-strand braid and we're going to hold it with an elastic. For the next step, we're going to do a bow, so I'm going to use a bun pin. If you have a topsy tail, it will be so much easier. I don't have one in this moment, so I'm going to use a bun pin. I'm going to pass it underneath the elastic band. Now grab a tiny piece of hair, and using another bun pin, I'm going to pass this section through the loop. Now we can pull this bun pin to the other side, so we will have the first half of the bow. You can fix it and make it as big as you want. And now we're going to do the same thing on the other side to do the other half. For the last section of the bow, we're going to pass the bun pin one more time underneath the elastic, and we're going to grab a tiny piece of hair, so we're going to do the same thing just in the middle. Now I'm going to pull it to the other side, and here we have a beautiful bow. Now I'm going to hold the braid out of the way, and in here I'm going to do some curls just in the end of the hair. Grab a piece of hair, flip up the straightener, and bring it down slowly to the end. Grab another small section of hair, and again flip up the straightener and bring it down slowly. I wanted to show you in real time how I do it, so you can see how fast I do the curls. Okay, in here this is my last section. If you want the curls tight, you can skip the next step but I want soft waves, so I'm going to grab a big comb and we're going to comb the hair many times. To help to get the effect that I want, I'm going to apply hairspray. And again, I'm going to keep combing the hair. Perfect. This is the result that I want. It takes a little of time, but it looks beautiful. Now we can let down the braid. And to finish the hairstyle, I'm going to do the waves on the remaining hair from the braid.
Okay guys, this is all for today. I really hope you like this hairstyle. Don't forget to visit us on our website www.chicaschic.com and on our Facebook and Instagram as well. See you there. Bye!
Bye!